Hi, it's Mal. I'm at NAB 2026, and now we're on the EVS booth with Miguel de Klerk, Customer Advisory Services for T-Motion. Miguel, you've got the best coffee here at NAB. What sort of hardware do you have on display with the robots, which are now, I guess, really exciting? Telemetrics as part of EVS and is now T-Motion.
We have the integrated floor system, which is nicely flat. You can walk over it. You can combine it with different lifts, different sizes. The tallest one can go up to where the drone is there. Then we have our Omniglide system, omnidirectional free roaming pedestal, which you can have now in both a wired and a wireless version, which can also combine with different lift heights. But you can also now combine it with the jib, with the robotic jib, which is a replacement for a manual jib, basically a robotic alternative to it.
And one of the great things about the rover or the trolley Omniglide system is it's so modular. Like it's the same elevator, the same pan and tilt head. It's like Lego, this stuff.
Absolutely, absolutely. For example, you can say, okay, I start with the Omniglide with a lift, and at some point, maybe you want to upgrade to the telescope one. So you put the telescope on the lift, and you don't lose the lift. You can actually use the lift, and then put it on the floor, hang it from the ceiling, put it on a trolley. It's really it's
Show us this telescope, because no one else has this. Right?
No. This is very unique, especially because it's also combined with can be combined with the wireless pedestal. This is the wired version, but you can put this also on the wireless one. We also have a ceiling track systems because we can have the large ones or small ones. This small one, which is now equipped with actually our own PTZ camera, which is actually fills in the gap in the market between the classical Sony, Panasonic, etc. PTZ cameras, which of course we still support because that's what a lot of people have in the studios. But this is basically fills in the gap between a discrete palm tilt head with a discrete camera and lens, and it's closer to the price point of a PTZ camera. Right?
We've got something up in the ceiling here on cables.
Yeah.
That's never been on a Telemetrics booth before.
No, that's part of the XD Motion acquisition. So that's our X-Fly, that's our cable camera system. This is the studio version. There's of course also a big stadium version.
And people would expect to see that in the stadium, but they used it in the European Parliament, I believe.
Oh yes. We did, because actually, if you want to use it, for example, like in the European Parliament, safety is very important. One of the key features is that we use dual rope. So each corner has 2 ropes, a total of 8 ropes, just for safety.
Redundancy. I love that.
Absolutely.
And the final step here, what are you showing here? This looks brand new.
Okay, so this is our new Corion control system, which actually won an award, which we developed to control all the robots, because obviously after the acquisition of Telemetrics and XD Motion, there were different control systems for the 2 different product families. Actually, there were 3. So we developed this so that you can actually control all the robots you see here, including the robotic arm, which has a key feature that you can put it in a corner because you don't need counterweights. This is a great fit for small studios, especially small studios where you need to do virtual, augmented reality, or you can even put it in a flight case and take it on the road.
Awesome. Well, it's a really comprehensive range. Congratulations on the award.
Thank you.
Thanks for showing us around, and have a great show.